I just picked up some cheap wiring loom off of Amazon. I got 1 inch because it was easy to find. Really, I wanted 1.5 inch, but that'll have to be thick enough to go over my wiring harness.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you like, smash that like button, subscribe for more content.
Today is gonna be wiring loom day. So I also got some new floodlights in this Chernobyl garage. So hopefully it's a little brighter up here. My voice is a little raspy now that I hear it myself, but hopefully the lighting's a little better in here. I know I can see a lot better. I just picked up some cheap wiring loom off of Amazon. I got 1 inch because it was easy to find. Really, I wanted 1.5 inch, but that'll have to be thick enough to go over my wiring harness. I will tape up. I got a bunch of smaller stuff too for the single wires going everywhere. But I gotta tape up the loose wires that are hanging all over the place and just button everything up over here because it does run now. It fires up. We know that. We can put the hood back on and then I can get working on the interior. They do make a tool for getting this split loom in a lot easier, but really, I don't have it. Here is going to be what the engine bay will, for the most part, look like. I didn't get too close to the bulkhead there, so there's a little bit, but I loomed everything up as best I could. Got all exposed wires covered up and electrical taped off. And on this side as well. By the starter solenoid.